So here are our eggs that we got from our chickens. There's 2 dozen here, and that took us about 4 days to get from our 6 chickens, and we just love doing this. It's so amazing. We've got these beautiful white ones and even more beautiful, these blue eggs. Oh, I just can't believe it. It's just such an amazing thing to me. I can't believe that we get this out of our yard, out of having these chickens with us. And then we have these beautiful brown eggs too. Aren't they just gorgeous, guys? I'll tell you, we've never kept chickens before. This is the first time. We started about 6 months ago. And it's amazing. It's the most fun thing. I can't believe every time we go out to the coop and we get these eggs, I'm just in total appreciation. It's so amazing. And I'm gonna take you guys outside to show you guys our chickens, our beautiful 6 chickens, and also the coop that we built. We built a chicken tractor for them. So I'll give a link in the description box of the coop that we built, as well as like a link to the instructions and directions that we used. But I just wanted to share with you guys today these beautiful eggs, and I just feel so blessed and lucky that we get these pile of eggs from our yard. If you've never kept chickens before and it's something that your city allows you to do, I highly recommend that you do it. It's so fun. It's a great learning experience for our kids and for us, and it's just so great. And so now I'm going to take you outside and show you our beautiful chickens. Okay guys, so we're out here by our chickens, and they're in our chicken coop in our chicken tractor that we built, and I'll get the camera in a minute and show you all the way around and show you all the things that it has. But these are our beautiful chickens. Some are up in the nesting boxes, but we have 6 chickens, and we have this little lady right here. We've got 2 of this breed. They're called cream leg bars, and they're our blue egg layers. And I love them. They're just awesome. And here we've got 3 white chickens. The white ones are white leghorns, and they lay the white eggs for us. And this one right here without the comb on the top, this is called a black chameau, and that's our chicken that lays our brown egg for us. And the white chickens lay the most eggs. They're our most regular layers, whereas our chameau and our cream leg bars here will take a day off occasionally and wait for a minute. And so they're just doing a great job. We love having them. Like I said, this is our first time ever having chickens, and it's just been a great experience the whole way around. It's far less work than keeping bees, and you get eggs from it. It's just so great. I also wanted to show you guys what we feed them. We feed them these organic layer pellets. They're just little pelletized food that's got different grains and stuff in there, and we feed that to them in a hanging bucket in the back of the coop. They have that all the time. And then I make them a little special mix. They go crazy for this. As you can see, they know that I have it. They know I'm going to give it to them. But this is a little mixture that I make up for them, a little treat. And get you kind of close to the camera here so you can see. But there's cracked corn, sunflower seeds, crushed oyster shells, alfalfa hay. There's some other grains in there like millet and barley, and I've got sunflower seeds, and then I put diatomaceous earth in there also. I mix that all around. And then there's mealworms and dried shrimp, and they just go crazy for this stuff. They love it so much. So I'm gonna get the camera here and walk around and show you guys the coop and all the things, and also give them this food that they are dying to have. So let's check it out. So first, we'll come along. Let's see if I can get back far enough. We're kind of close to the garden here, but we call this the cluckin' coop. But this is the coop. It's got these little handles here so we can pick it up on either end. And down here on the back, we made a little door so we can reach in and change their water and their food every day. They go Hop down, lady. Oh! You'll follow the food, won't you? She hopped out. They are just going for it. There you go, sweetheart. They go crazy over it. They jump out like that all the time when we open this door because they know we're gonna give them some delicious treats. But so there's this door at the back. That's where we give them their food. Look, they're just so happy to have that. I think they go for the sunflower seeds first, and the oyster shells are usually what's left behind. We give them the oyster shells so their eggs are nice and hard and they are not soft. They get all the calcium they need. Okay, so let me get back here so you can see. So this is one side of the coop, and this is the side that we have the door to the nesting boxes. So up here, there's a couple latches, and we can pull this down. And here we have their little nesting boxes, and this is where they come and sleep at night, or they come and roost up here. They kind of sit on the edges. This is the favorite nesting box right here. Actually, I will say that they almost never lay eggs in these two. They all kind of fight over this one. If someone's in there laying an egg and another chicken needs to lay an egg, you can hear them out here squawking at each other and like, move out of my way, I want to lay. So it's been really fun. And then the other side of the coop has a door, or has a panel like this, but it's not a door, it's just solid. I'll walk around and show you this. So this is their ladder in here that goes up to the nesting boxes. We've got a piece of branch here for them to roost on. They're always standing up there squawking at us. And then this is the other side of the coop where we could turn this into a door with hinges if we want, but we just left it solid. So this is the coop and our chickens. We're so thankful to have them. We totally love keeping chickens. It's one of the best things ever. And I will leave a link in the description box for the instructions on how to build this coop. And I will just say one thing about it. It is really heavy. We're probably gonna try to put some wheels on this or something so we can kind of drag it more than lift it and carry it around, because it is really, really heavy. I think if we had to do it again, we would use 2x2 instead of 2x4s, because oh my goodness, it's definitely a chore picking it up. And we move it every day, every other day, because they pretty much eat the grass that they're on really quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. I love sharing my little urban farm with you guys and my beekeeping, and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.